this is my Bianci daily driver there, and I'll leave a link to a video shortly. And here is my brand new watch box here, Bianci, and so it's a Roberto Bianci timepiece, and that's what this unboxing video slash first day review is going to be about. The box, there you go, comes with the name Roberto Bianci, and to be more specific with the number, this is the RB70991, the RB70991. The first thing you'll notice about the box, it's a very nice looking box. I like the way it's been boxed up and not just put in some El Cheapo kind of package. It has some class to it, some style, obviously Italian flair to it, which is pretty cool. As we open the box up, we see the pillow, the watch pillow, and we also, of course, see the timepiece. That's the pillow for the watch, and of course now we're taking the timepiece out. Beautiful blue dial with white numerals on it and indices with a day, date, window, complication, or stainless steel back of the case. It also comes with, of course, a rubber strap. Later on in the video, I will mention to you that there is a metal strap variant of this timepiece that is available. I like the clasp there, and also the keepers. There's a rubber keeper and a metal keeper that has engraved Bianci on it. Pretty cool. I like it. Now, my Bianci timepiece that I so often mention on this channel is my daily driver. But as you will see here in a minute, I'm thinking this timepiece here is going to become my new daily driver. There's the warranty card giving you guys the warranty information for the timepiece. And of course, you know, Facebook information, all that good stuff. I did not notice any additional paperwork or instructions inside of the box or any of the packaging. There's a comparison there between my Bianci daily driver and this timepiece I'm reviewing, the Roberto Bianci timepiece. Once again, this is model RB70991. There is a metal bracelet variant that is available as well. So we're going to take off my Bianci timepiece that I normally have as my daily driver. By the way, the Bianci is the BY5112M, BY-5112M. Again, like I said before, there'll be a link in the description to the video talking about that. So this watch is more of a race car themed watch. I'm sure you saw earlier the flags on the back of it, and of course, if you look at the watch strap, you notice that it resembles something. Look at it, look closely. What does it resemble? it resembles car tire tread. Pretty darn cool. I dig it. It's very cool. Now the timepiece fits my wrist pretty well. I have very small wrists, so almost every watch is going to look a little bit wonky, and I like oversized watches anyway. This one here is still pretty small compared to what I normally like, but it is bigger than, say, some of the other watches I've reviewed here on this channel. For example, I'm sure you guys saw recently a couple of Fossil Machine watches I've reviewed on the channel. So there's me trying to make sure I get the right time, so I set the right time on the timepiece. And there's a couple of clicks there on the pusher in order to adjust the time and also adjust the day-date window on the timepiece. Now I'm going to make another video talking more about this watch in more detail, a longer term review. As of me doing this part of the editing, I've now had the watch for about 4 days. Now what you're seeing in the video though is day one unpackaging, but right now doing some voiceover work as I edit. I've had the timepiece now for about 4 days, give or take, maybe 5 days, depending on how much more editing I do. There's the case back again, very comfortable on the wrist. Again, I like on the watch band the tire tread design, since it's more of an auto racing inspired watch. There's me walking with the watch, Chesapeake Beach. There's an environmental center there. Beautiful watch. I think this will probably be my daily driver. The Brook Environmental Center, Chesapeake Bay Bound Foundation. Now we're close by at Chesapeake Beach itself, hanging out with the kids, putting their watch through its paces in the sand, very hot sun. Through some binoculars there, very comfortable, doesn't get hung up or anything to watch, nothing like that. Pretty slender compared to some other timepieces I own. No problem at all with the buckle or the keepers. They've been great, especially having a metal keeper that's got the engraving is pretty cool. And it is water resistant. Here we go. We're diving. There we go. No problem at all with that part of the watch. And of course, if you've already seen, I've already flashed some of the specifications across the screen. As of now, Amazon doesn't have any more of these timepieces available as far as the one I have, but keep checking back with them. Alright, so here's the timepiece looming. I did put some more light on it from my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I put some more light on it, but you can see that it looms very well. But before I even added some more light to it, so it'll loom better, so that the sensor on my smartphone could pick up light. Okay guys, so thanks once again for watching this video about this timepiece. Either the next video or probably video after that, depending on what I decide to do, will be a more long-term review of this timepiece. Of course, this video is just a unboxing and this is my first day with it, but I want to come back again and give you guys another review, more long-term review if you will, because I want to wear it for a few days and come back and let you know if I've noticed anything about this timepiece, good or bad, and let you guys know how it's holding up. At the moment, Amazon does not have any more of these as it's the time of me filming this, but of course that could change. And again, if you want the metal bracelet version, there's another variant of this with a metal bracelet that is available. But we're gonna head in because storm's coming over that way, and I'm gonna get the kids out of the water, get myself out of the water to be safe, and you guys be safe as well. Thank you for watching Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube.